record.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Today I ordered these shoes from Etsy and we thought it was clickbait and they finally got here, but we don't actually know if it's the right things. I got some Spider-Man shoes, so we're gonna take a peek.
Reveal.
One moment, please. Hold on.
Wow.
Whoa. Okay. Now this is pretty cool. Definitely wearing this tomorrow.
Totally worth it.
100% worth the wait. Hey there.
What's the difference?
Look at the other side.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that is.
Oh, and look at
Jacob,
this.
you're naked. Stop.
Stop. Hold on.
Yeah.
Shh. Look at this. The
What?
spider right here.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Jacob.
Jacob, you can look after you.
Very
Naked right now.
cool.
Okay, Mom.